Hello, this is Teacher Majid. Today we're going to talk about simultaneous equation and word problems. The objective is to solve word problem involving two unknowns using simultaneous equations. Let's take a look at the first example. Two numbers have a sum of 37 and a difference of 11. Find the numbers. What we are asking you to find are numbers. We're asking you to find two numbers. So we're going to name our variable according to this number. So the first variable will be x, it's the first number. The second variable will be y, that's the second number. Okay, next we have to find the equation. So the first thing we tell you is two numbers have a sum of 37. A sum means an addition. So we can write that as x plus y equal 37. Next, we tell you that the two numbers have a difference of 11. So a difference is a subtraction. So x minus y equal 11. Now we have a system of equation, and we can solve it using either elimination or substitution method. Here I use the elimination method, so I simply add the two equations together and I get 2x equal 48. We divide this equation by 2 to find x equal 24. Then we can substitute x equal 24 in the first equation and we can find that y equal 13. When you are solving a word problem, you need to answer using a sentence. Here, the two numbers are 24 and 13. The method to solve word problem have 5 steps. The first step is to decide what do you call x and what do you call y. This is depending on the question of your word problem. The second step is simply to write down two equations with x and y by translating your problem from English to mathematics. Then you can solve the simultaneous equation by using the methods seen before, elimination or substitution. Once you find your solution, you need to check that your solutions are valid and that you did not get extra solution. Finally, you can write your solutions in a sentence. Let's see a second example. A piano teacher charges 1,200 baht for a 1-hour lesson and 2,000 baht for a 2-hour lesson. She works for 25 hours in 1 week and earns 27,600 baht. Using an algebraic method, determine how many 2-hour lessons she gave. We're asking you to find how many 2-hour lessons she gave. So the variable x is the number of 2-hour lessons she gave in 1 week. We can call the variable y the number of 1-hour lessons she gives in 1 week. Now we can use the sentences in the problem to set up our equations. We see that she works 24 hours in 1 week. For each 1-hour lesson, she works 1 hour. So in total in 1 week, she will work y hour. Also for each 2-hour lesson, she works 2 hours. So as she has x 2-hour lesson, she will work a total of 2x hours. So we can write 2x plus y equal 25. Next, we see that in 1 week she earns 27,600 baht. For each 1-hour lesson, she earns 1,200 baht. She has y hour of 1-hour lesson, so 1,200 baht times y. For each 2-hour lesson, she earns 2,000 baht, so that's 2,000 times x baht per week. We can then write the equation 1,200 times y plus 2,000x equal 27,600. Now we have our system of equation and we can solve it using either elimination or substitution. Before we start solving, We can simplify the second equation by removing the common factors 100 and then dividing again by 4. Now we have 3y plus 5x equals 69, and we will use that as our second equation. So we can rewrite your system of equation as 3y plus 5x equals 69 and y plus 2x equals 25, which is simpler to solve. Here I solve by elimination. I multiply my first equation by negative 3, which gives me negative 3y minus 6 equals negative 75. Then I add both of my equations together, which gives me negative x equal negative 6. I multiply by negative 1 to get my positive x equals 6. Finally, you substitute this value of x into any of the two equations you have, and then you solve for y. We find y equals 13. We finish by answering the question as a sentence. The teacher gives 6 2-hour lessons. Here is a quick problem for you to practice the method.